Hey guys, welcome to the next video on shell scripting tutorial for beginners. In this video we will learn how to use break statement and continue statement in shell scripting. So let's start with the break statement. So the break statement is used to exit the current loop before its normal execution. So whenever we want to break out of the loop prematurely, then we can use break statement. So let's take an example. So for example, I have a for loop like this, which initialize the value of I as 1, and then we are awaiting the condition if the value of I is less than or equal to 10, and then here we are just incrementing the value. So this construct you already know, I already told you in the last videos, right? And then I simply just print the value of I. And let's run the script and let's see what happens first of all. So I'm going to just run the script, and it prints 1 to 10, which is a normal operation. Now for some reason we want to exit out of the loop prematurely. For example, if the value of I is greater than 5, then we want to come out of the loop. Then what we can do here is we can use, for example, if, and then inside the if statement we can say if I, so $I is greater than 5, then we want to come out of the loop. So then, and then fi to end the loop, and in here we just give the break. So just write break keyword here, and what it does is whenever the value of I goes greater than 5, then this condition is true, and the program execution comes here, and it sees the break keyword, and then it comes out of the loop. So let's see what happens now. So let's run the script and let's see what happens. So you can see it's printing this because I just need to give space here, and once again let's run the script, and you can see it prints 1 to 5 here, right? So whenever this condition is true, this keyword is called, and then the program goes out of the loop. Okay, so it doesn't print up to 10 even if the execution of this for loop demands that we need to go up to 10, and then it goes out of the loop. But we have given the special keyword break, so whenever this condition is met, then it goes out of the loop. So this is how you can use break to come out of the loop or break the normal execution of the loop prematurely, so before its normal ending, right? Now let's see how to use the continue statement. Now continue is a little bit different from break, and what it does is whenever you use continue, it skips the normal execution for that iteration. So whatever comes after the continue keyword will be skipped, and then the program will go to the next iteration, right? So let's say we have this condition I is equal to, and let's say I is equal to 3, and or let's say we want to give the or operator here, and let's say we say $I equals 6. Okay, so we are just saying here that if I is equal to 3 or I is equal to 6, then we will give the continue keyword here. Okay, and the continue keyword will skip the execution of the loop whenever it sees 3 or 5. So let's see what happens. So I'm going to just clear the screen and run the script once again, and you can see it prints 1 to 10, but when we see carefully here, we see 1, 2, but there is no 3 here, right? And that is what we have written here. and then you can see 4, 5, and there is no 6 here. So whenever this condition is met, where I is equal to 3 or I is equal to 6, then this condition is met, and then this keyword continue is called. And what it means is, whenever your program or your script sees this keyword in the loop, then whatever comes after this keyword will be skipped. So for example, this echo statement comes after this continue keyword, then this will be skipped and your program will go to the next iteration. So in case of 3, this continue keyword is called, so this will be skipped. That means 3 will not be printed. And then in the condition of 4, this condition is not met, so once again this will print using this echo. And in the case of 6, this is called, and if this is called, everything after the continue keyword will be skipped, so it will not print 6 and it will go to the next iteration, and then it sees that I is equal to 7, and it will go normally until this condition is met. Okay, so this is how break and continue keyword works in shell scripting. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and bye for now.